Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I'm on the Dollar Tree series. I went to the Dollar Tree and I found a bunch of different items that I thought would interest you. And maybe you may not, or you may have seen them there, but I'm here to give you my take on them. And for those who have not seen them, to introduce them to you. I think they're a great buy, and I would like for you to consider it. It will definitely cut your budget down dramatically to help you meet the future financial goals that you may have, or even just to survive. Okay? Okay, so why don't we do that? First of all, let's give a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. I am waiting to welcome you. Okay, let's do it. Why not? All right. Okay, so what I want to show you today is I have some biscuits. Breakfast blueberry biscuit. And let me tell you about them. I fell in love with them right away as soon as I tried them. The first time I tried them was at my grocery store market basket, and it was 2 boxes for $6. 2 for $6. Okay, I found these biscuits at the Dollar Tree for $1 a box, so that's a savings of $2 per box. Dollar Tree versus my local grocery store market basket. So this has 10 grams of whole grain in it. Now you know whole grain is very good for you. It gives you fiber. And guess how much sugar is in it? It's only 6.5 grams of sugar. Only 6.5 grams. That means that it's not going to really set your sugar off as other items may that call for a lot more sugar, right? So this one is blueberry, and it comes 6 in a package, and each package has 2 biscuits in it. So that's a total of 12 biscuits in this one package. Okay, so the package costs $1 because you know everything at the Dollar Tree is $1. So I did the math on that. One package with 2 biscuits in each package equals one box, which is 6 packages, equals around 9 cents a package for 6. You can't beat that, right? So what I want to do is I want to taste one for you and describe for you how this is how the package looks. And when you open it, you're going to see that there are 2 in each one. No? Let me see. Is it 2 or 3? Let me take them out. Okay, it's 2. It broke off. So this is the piece that broke off. So it's 2 of these in a package. Alright? So you can see the little blueberries right there. So let me taste. They're not terribly sweet at all. It sort of reminds you of a graham cracker, but with a lot more taste to it. I like it. $1, 6 packages with 2 in each. You can't go wrong. This is great, and it says breakfast, right? So that's a clue right there that you can have this for breakfast. So you can imagine you can give this to your family. They can have some hot chocolate or coffee. and some of these, right, for breakfast. And some fruit. Now that would be a good breakfast. A complete breakfast. Why not? You didn't have to cook. You didn't have to spend loads of money. I would say 2 of these boxes would take care of breakfast. So that would be $2 for a family of 4. That will give you 12 packages. Plenty, right? Okay. Blueberry biscuits for breakfast. Okay, let me go on to the next one. The next one is cinnamon and brown sugar biscuit. Cinnamon and brown sugar biscuit. And this also is 10 grams of whole grain. Now you know whole grain gives you fiber. It helps you to your body to work. It helps in a lot of ways. Okay. Okay, so let me taste the cinnamon and brown sugar. This is what the package looks like. Here's the 2 in the package. Two. I taste the cinnamon and the brown sugar. And they're not hard and they're not soft. It's like a medium texture. You'll like. Again, 6 in a package, $1. 6 packs in a package. Total of 12 biscuits in this box for $1. Less than 9 cents each. Okay. Now I want to talk about my favorite of them all. Breakfast sandwich. Now they thought of everything. Breakfast sandwich. And this has 7 grams of sugar. A little more sugar. And it's also 9 grams of whole grain. So now let's look at this. The blueberry and the cinnamon had 10 grams of whole grain, and this chocolate sandwich has only 9 grams of whole grain. How about that, huh? Okay, I can't wait to taste this one. Do you want me to taste this one? Absolutely. Okay. So this is what the package looks like. And, oh, that one broke. I'm going to open another package. This is what it looks like. You can see the chocolate in the middle. Okay, let's taste. For all the chocolate lovers out there, this is for you. It tastes really, really good. And it's fulfilling. So I wanted to introduce this to you because I think we need to start thinking outside the box. You don't have to have some meat and eggs for breakfast. You can have anything you want to have for breakfast as long as it's healthy, okay? And so when you do that, you can cut your budget way down. I mean, tremendously down. In the past, I might have passed up this for breakfast because maybe money was a little more fruitful. But as the epidemic goes on and life gets tougher and things get more expensive, we have to now rethink on how we can still feed the family but at a lower point, because you need to save your money for things that you don't even know that's going to come up. Okay? Okay, so I wanted to share this with you. This was my find at the Dollar Tree, and this is also, I'm going to revisit the Dollar Tree more often as I go through this series, because I can see where I can introduce some ideas to you, and that's all I ever try to do, is present ideas to you so that you can at least give it some thought, and maybe you'll see how you can also save. Also, this would be a good idea for snack for the kids, or snack for your lunch for work. You know, this is something that you can buy a box and put in your desk at work, and when you feel like you need to eat something, you can take a package out and have some. It could save you a lot of money even at work, okay? Or maybe you're going to the park, or you're going for a ride, or you're going to go sit out on the bench. Any of those things, it could help tremendously. And at $1 a box, most budgets can afford that, right? Okay, so all of those things I wanted to bring to you so that, again, you can consider some of these options, because the options are yours to pick and not mine. But my job is to bring the ideas to you, and then you can take it from there, okay? And if you haven't already subscribed, I'm giving you a plea to go ahead and subscribe. I'm waiting to hear from you. I'm over here working hard for you, and I would like for you to subscribe. Also, let me talk about the importance of the thumbs up. YouTube, like when you give a thumbs up, that lets them know you like the content over here. And so by you doing that, it allows YouTube to move me within their showings of the videos, and that's very, very important to me, and I'm sure it is to you. Also, I would like for you to share the videos with others, to let others know what they also can learn. Okay, let's share the love, share the videos, and I am sharing with you, and you share back with me through your comments. So until next time, I thank you for coming and hanging around. I thank you for watching the video, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay? Thanks. Bye-bye. Okay, I wanted to give you a clear picture, so when you go to the store, you know what to look for. You have this picture in your head. Okay, cool. Talk to you.